Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. This is your soulmate love reading for January 2021 for Aquarius. You can have a look on your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, because this is the general love soulmate reading. Okay, soulmate twin flame reading, and this is for a collective, so this is not going to resonate with each of you, so take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages which are important for you, Aquarius. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let me know if you want to say me anything. Okay, and I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner, and thank you so much for giving me beautiful messages to me, for liking and sharing my channel, for sharing my videos, for commenting beautiful things on me. So let's start your reading. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading? Yin and between the worlds. So this is for divine feminine Aquarius. This is for this message is for them. You are in a process of transformation. Can you see? You are between the worlds. There is a transformation period which is happening for you. Okay, the process is in between. Okay, you are getting transformed. Okay, transformation is taking place for you. Any other message? You are the blessed one. Can you see here? Blessed card is here. Do not worry, there are stars. You are the blessed one. Beautiful. Oh wow, the loyal heart. Wow, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having deep knowing. In your deep knowing, in your intuitions, in your inner soul, you know that they are having a loyal heart. You both are having a loyal heart. Can I get one more card for Aquarius? I need one more card. Beautiful cards, the fates. This was written in your destiny, Aquarius. The stars, can you see there is a stars? This was written in your fates. This person is written in your face. This was written in your face. Bottom of the deck, I'm having clean it up. So that means that you have to clean anything which you think that I have to work on this. So clean the clutter, basically. That's the message for that. Okay, so beautiful messages. There is a loyal heart here, there is a faith, there is blessed, there is between the worlds, there is yin. So you are in the process of transformation, Aquarius. This messages is basically for divine feminine. Yin is there. Okay, the divine feminine is going is taking, there is a transformation which is taking place for divine feminine, and you are blessed, Aquarius. You are blessed. You are having a loyal heart here. There is someone around you who is having a loyal heart. They are having a loyal heart. Can you see there are two owls which is sitting here, and they are having a loyal heart, and you are blessed. Beautiful. And there was written in your destiny, the fates is here. So this was written in your destiny. Let me see what are the messages from the angels. Answers. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading? Please give me the messages for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to them. What are the messages? Okay, beautiful. And what's common is bottom of the deck I'm having yes, and there is confirmed yes. Okay, Aquarius, yes, this is the person which you are dealing with is your divine counterpart, and that's the yes. Okay, a complete yes, that's the message. And ask for help from others a year from now. And can you see there is here also there is a couple here, and there is also here a couple. Okay, divine masculine and divine feminine. A year from now, and ask for help from others. Beautiful cards for you from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful things to my lovely Aquarius. I love it. I love these cards. There is a lot of beautiful energy which is coming for you. There is something in which there will be a year from now, and you need to ask for help from others. And in both of the pictures there is a divine masculine and there is a divine feminine which are standing together. Okay, give me the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. Your third chakra is getting open up. Okay, your third chakra is getting open up now, and this was the message in your main reading too. Love begins. Bottom of the deck I'm having the heart chakra. Beautiful. 1 minute. Beautiful cards, beautiful energies for today's soulmate reading. There is a love which is going to begin. Love begins. Any other message for Aquarius soulmate reading? 1 minute. Any other message for Aquarius soulmate reading? Memories of love, patience. Any other message? See, I told you transformation is taking place. Okay. Memories of love is 6 of cup. Okay, so there is someone from your past. This is soulmate card which is coming back, Aquarius, in your life. Your crown chakra is getting open, is getting activated, and your throat chakra is getting activated here. Okay, then there is patience. You need to keep your patience and your strength here, the power and the patience, your patience and your strength. You need to keep your patience and the power. And see, the transformation card has come. Between the world, you're getting transformation. Transformation is taking place. So transformation is taking place right now. You are in between of that process. So have patience. Okay, Aquarius, have your strength. You are in the process of transformation. That's beautiful message for you, Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the tarot for Aquarius soulmate reading. Give me the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. What are the messages? Beautiful reading, Aquarius. I love it. Too many cards and just fell out. Okay. Give me what are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. Too many cards. No. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading? Give me the important messages which I need to deliver. King of Pentacles. Page of Swords, Four of Swords, King of Cup, Six of Swords. Any other message? Any other message? Again, this card has fallen out. Okay, I'll take that. Okay. So there is someone, Aquarius. There are two energies around you. There is someone around you who is a King of Pentacles. They're keeping a tabs on you basically. They're spying on you. Maybe this person is an older man. Okay, they are in age. They can be an old person, okay, elder than you, but they are someone who is financially stable, grounded, who know how to manage his finances. So they're keeping an eye on you. Maybe they're spying through online social media and all. Okay, this is you. Four of Swords, King of Cups, and Six of Swords. You are doing your healing. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. Okay, and you're coming towards a calmer waters. You're coming towards a calmer waters here. Then there is someone around you, Aquarius. You are not accepting a cup from someone here. Okay, there is Four of Cups, but the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, and you're completing a karmic cycle here. There is a World card here. You're completing a cycle here. Yeah, I was seeing the other cards. You are not accepting a cup from someone, Aquarius. Yes, you're resting and rejuvenating yourself, okay? Because you are unable to make a decision. There is a Two of Swords here. You are unable to make a decisions. Maybe you are have a choice in your love life. Okay, one is someone who is here it is. Okay, this is because I'm having a pair here, Queen of Cups and King of Cups. This is your divine counterpart, okay? And this is the karmic one. This is someone who is financially stable and grounded, who is keeping an eye on you. And there is this Queen of Cups is King of Wands. They're very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious towards you, and they're full of emotions, and they are also very intuitive, Aquarius. You are unable to make a decisions between this person and that person, okay? You're thinking that there are some secrets which are hidden, but they are trying to give you very beautiful things. Ten of Pentacles is here, abundance of everything. You are thinking that there are some secrets which are hidden from you. There are some secrets which are hidden from you, and you know the truth. There is King of Swords here. You know the truth. There is someone around you who is very loyal, very, can you see here? There is Knight of Cups, very loyal, very romantic, very attractive person. He's here, okay? But they were also carrying lots of Ten of Swords and Five of Cups energy here. Either this is your energy or this is them energy, but I find this is your energy, Aquarius, because in your main reading also you were more focusing on those things which has been fallen out in your life. Okay, so don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. Okay, don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. Don't feel sad, remorse, guilt on those things, on the spilled milk basically. Don't focus on, but you are completing a cycle because there is a Ten of Swords here. So that was a message from the tarot too. So yes, transformation is taking place. Love begins, Aquarius. Beautiful. You need to keep your strength and power, Aquarius, okay? Transformation is taking place. So yes, you are blessed. You are blessed right now. This is between the worlds. You're in between a process of transformation. You are blessed. You are having the loyal heart and the faiths. This was written in your destiny. It was written in your faith. You do not have to worry at all, okay? This is you. Yin is divine feminine, okay? and there is ask for help from others and a year from now. Can you see in both the pictures there is a couple here, divine masculine and divine feminine is here. So there is angels, the couple angel is there, and there is yes, a complete yes here. I do not know, 1515 was the recording reading time. Maybe some of you Aquarius were requiring some confirmation, so there is yes and confirm yes for that. So let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. Let me see what are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay. Be patient. See, that's why I'm getting the message of you need to keep your patience, you need to keep your strength. Again and again I'm getting the same messages. Sorry for adjusting myself. Okay. Same message. Okay, focus on success, Aquarius. You need to focus on your success. Then there is choose friends wisely. Okay, choose your friends wisely. Forgive and forget. That's very important message which is coming again and again for you. You need to forgive yourself, forgive others, and forget and move in a forward direction. So forgive and forget, and you have to take the lead and say no. Maybe there is someone around you in which you have to say no. Okay, so say no and you have to take the lead. That was the message from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Because I can see clearly there are two energies around you. So one you have to say no and one you have to say yes. Okay, you have to take a lead, Aquarius. See, these cards just fallen out from the while shuffling also. I told you there is a karmic one. So here it is. It was just while shuffling also I just got these cards fallen out. I just did not start the reading, but it just fallen out. Karmic partner. So there is a karmic partner around you, Aquarius, and one is your life partner, soulmate. So just pushing each other to grow. Karmic relationships are important so that you can push yourself to, and you can push yourself to you can move in a higher way. Okay, you can raise your soul to your higher self basically. So you both are pushing each other to grow. Then there is soul contracts. You are in process of ending old cycles. Okay, there was a soul contract which you both has signed before entering in this life journey, and this karmic partner was necessary for your soul contract, for your journey, for your life journey, so that you can be able to reconcile with your twin flame, so that you can be, this karmic partner was helping you to get ready for your twin flame. Okay, they were helping you out basically. Then there is mother father, old issues expressing in your own twin flame journey. So your mother father's old issues are expressing in your twin flame journey and because of your mother father thing. Okay, then there is answers arriving. We are working to bring you what you have asked for. Your answers are coming, Aquarius. Okay, they're telling you that the answers you're looking for are coming your way. The answers are coming. Then there is take care of yourself, finding your center, your inner peace. Let me see if there any other message for my lovely Aquarius. Any other message? Okay. There is something in which you have to think twice. Something is not for your highest good, Aquarius. Okay, there is something which is not good for your highest good, which is not for your highest good. Think twice. And I got this message for you in your last reading too. So there is this is the specific message which I'm getting again and again. Think twice. There is something in which this is not for your highest good, so think twice, Aquarius. Then there is conflict. Fear is stirring up tension in your connection. Okay, so release any fear if you are carrying out. Then there is inner child. Resolve wounds and issue. You have to heal your inner child, Aquarius. Okay, heal your inner child. Your passion. Spend your time on divine gifts, so activate your twin flame soul song. Use your passions. You have your divine gifts which are there for you, Aquarius, which you are blessed, because you are blessed. I told you that and got that message too. So use your divine gifts for activating your twin flame soul song. Then there is change the momentum, shifting out the difficulties. Okay, you're changing the momentum, and that's very good. Then there is learning and study. We are bringing information to you. Divine is helping you out to learn and study about everything you need to know. Basically, they are helping you out. Let me see, is there any other message? Okay. Expect miracles. Nothing is impossible. Okay, nothing is impossible. Then there is fears of coming together. That's why there is a twin flame separation. Resolve doubts to open to love. You are never truly apart. If you, this is the message with this is the message for those Aquarius which are in their twin flame separation, and the message is that you both are never apart. Okay, you are never apart, you are always close. Okay, you are always close to each other. Then there is fear of coming together. Resolve doubts to open to love, Aquarius, and there is nothing to worry about. All is well. You just need not to fear. Okay, all is well. You need not to fear. Relax and let go. Allow stillness to help you out. Allow stillness to help you out. Then there is pay attention to signs, divine communication. See, divine is trying to communicate through you. Maybe they're trying to send you some messages. So pay attention to the divine communications. Okay. Then there is collective energies and lessons, reacting to outside influences. Okay, you are reacting to outside influences. Then there is eternal connection. Spend time with your twin soul. This is the eternal connection, and this message is for those twin flames and soulmates which are already in reconciliation. And if you are not in reconciliation, so you can spend some time with them into 5D dimensions. Okay, by telepathy and all. So these are the messages for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading. Let's see. Thank you so much, twin flame oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one card from the Power of Love Activation Oracle deck. Okay, the Power of Love Activation Oracle deck. Give me the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Give me one card. Okay. Loyalty. Your reliability demonstrate your loving sense of devotion and consistency of being. Okay, so you have to be, loyalty is the message for you. Be loyal to your divine counterpart, to your twin flame. Thank you so much, Power of Activation Oracle card, for giving the message to my Aquarius soulmate twin flame journey. What is the message of... So there is a soul lesson which you both has to learn in this life journey. So let's see what is the soul lesson which you and your soulmate or twin flame has to learn while this life journey. What is the soul lesson which Aquarius and their twin flame soulmate has to learn? Okay. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. That's the soul lesson you both has to learn. Okay, that challenges are the best way to learn. Then there is worry. I am learning that worry does not change an outcome. So worry is a soul lesson which you both has to learn. Then there is loneliness. I know that I am never alone. So loneliness is the message, is the soul lesson which you and your soulmate has to learn while this soul journey, while this life journey. Okay, let's see what is the message, what is the thing which you need to surrender in this life journey so that you can achieve your goals. As you know that we need to surrender some things so that we can achieve our goals. So let's see what are the things which you need to surrender. What is the thing? Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having surrender to the divine timing. You have to surrender to the divine timing, Aquarius. Then there is surrender to receiving support and love. Allow the love and support of others, and rather than trying to handle everything yourself. This can take the pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. So surrender to receive love and support from others, Aquarius. That's the message for you. Thank you so much for giving the message. Let's see what is the life purpose you and your soulmate is having in this life journey. What is the life purpose? It just fell out and it was like speaker. Speaker. Your life purpose involves your skills of oration. So you and your twin flame can be a speaker, motivator. Okay, your life purpose involves your skills of oration. Environmentalist. You are earth angel who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and animals. Environmentalist. Okay, so you can be an earth angel, Aquarius, and your partner can be an earth and angel to protect and nurture animals, plants. Okay, that can be a life purpose while this life journey. Then there is creative expression. Your souls long to express itself creativity. So you and your soulmate can be a painter. Maybe you can be a good at painting, drawings or something, because you're full of creativity. Your creativity wants to get expressed. Okay, your soul wants to get expressed through the drawings or something like that. So that can be a life purpose. So these are the messages from the life purpose oracle deck. Thank you so much for the beautiful messages. And let's see what your soulmate, your twin flame wants to say you. I'm here to convey their messages, what they want to say you. Okay, what they want to tell you, but in personal they can't tell you, because some of you Aquarius are in separation. And if you are not in separation, then also what they think of you. Okay, what they want to say to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what does Aquarius soulmate twin flame wants to say to Aquarius. Give me the messages, what they want to say. There are a lot of things, lot of messages. No, I don't want. Okay. Gravitational is not responsible for people falling in love. Okay. All I want to do is spend my life loving you and making you happy. Okay. I know they want to say too many things, so I'm again getting too many cards for you. Okay. Let's take it. Let's take it. Okay. So gravitational is not responsible for people falling in love. They want to say you this, Aquarius. Beautiful. All I want to do is spend my life loving you and making you happy. Beautiful and very, very, very beautiful message for you. You are nothing short of my everything. They want to say you this. You are my heart and soul, and I will love you forever long. Your soulmate, your twin flame wants to say you that. You and me, we belong together. Can you see how beautiful it is? They want to say you this. You and me forever and ever. So these are the same messages almost, but they know that you both belong to each other and forever long. Okay. I love seeing you happy, and my biggest reward is seeing you smile. Very beautiful message for you. They love, that's the biggest reward they think. Okay, you make me happy, no one else can make. That's the message for you. True love is tight hug after a fight. So maybe some of you Aquarius are having a fight, may had a fight. Okay, so that's the message. True love is tight hug after a fight. That's the thing they are thinking right now. I promise I will love you, protect you, and take care of you all of my life. Beautiful message. I choose you and I'll choose you over and over without pause, without doubt. In a heartbeat, I will keep choosing you. Beautiful. They want to say you this, that they are going to keep choosing you without any doubt, without any pause. They will keep choosing you, Aquarius, again and again and again and again. Okay. Beautiful messages for you. Let me see what are more messages from your soulmate. Okay. They want to say you that you respect my family. Okay. You make me laugh constantly. You make me feel alive. You always wish for my success. You are funny, Aquarius. You never let me feel lonely. So these are the messages from your soulmate, your twin flame. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.